Talking about beginner-friendly bikes, the Jawa 42 and the Yezdi Roadster are pretty unique products in the market. But what makes these two bikes so interesting for people to consider buying them?
When we started designing these motorcycles, we had to tick all the right boxes. Being a design-led company, the motorcycle had to be pretty. One of the first liquid-cooled motorcycles in the segment. That happens to be a quick motorcycle, extremely good at handling, very safe with its dual-channel ABS. When we were tuning this on asphalt, basalt and ceramic, both dry and wet surfaces. So if a motorcycle is keeping itself upright and straight, not fishtailing at speeds of around 45 to 60 kilometers an hour under panic braking conditions. Moving on from the J Panther onto the Alpha 2. Generally, both these motorcycles come into that category where if you want to start your journey with riding, look at a motorcycle which is either on the 300 or 334cc platforms, liquid-cooled, dual exhaust, dual-channel ABS, beautiful looking motorcycles. Extremely good exhaust note, a very comfortable seat on each of these, very good in handling. This is the motorcycle where you need to start.
The takeaways would be comfort, performance and versatility, because both these bikes can do a lot. They are safe, they're good with performance and a total package in general.